Welcome to the Galapagos Islands, an archipelago of unique beauty and biodiversity. Here, amidst the volcanic landscapes and rich ecosystems, lives one of the most iconic creatures on Earth, the Galapagos tortoise. This slow-moving giant has roamed these islands for millions of years. In this video, we will explore the fascinating life of the Galapagos tortoise, its role in the island's ecosystem, and the incredible efforts to conserve this living fossil. The Galapagos tortoise is one of the largest tortoise species in the world. These impressive creatures can weigh up to 500 pounds and have shells that can reach up to 5 feet in length. The tortoise's most striking feature is its dome-shaped shell, which provides protection. But some populations, depending on their habitat, have a more saddle-shaped shell that allows for easier movement and access to food. The Galapagos tortoise's long lifespan, which can exceed 100 years, makes it a symbol of resilience and adaptation in the natural world. The Galapagos tortoise is native to the Galapagos Islands, a volcanic archipelago located off the coast of Ecuador. These islands are home to a variety of ecosystems, from dry, barren landscapes to lush green highlands. The tortoises are found on several islands within the archipelago, with different populations adapted to each island's unique environment. On some islands, tortoises feed on grasses, while on others they rely on prickly pear cacti and even the occasional tree branch. Their ability to thrive in different environments is a testament to their evolutionary adaptability. The Galapagos tortoise is a herbivore and spends much of its time grazing on the island's varied vegetation. They have strong jaws and can eat tough plant material, such as grasses, shrubs, and cacti. These tortoises are opportunistic feeders, meaning they adjust their diet based on the available resources in their environment. Despite their massive size, they move at a slow pace, averaging just 0.3 miles per hour. Their leisurely pace is a key part of their survival strategy, conserving energy in an environment where food is sometimes scarce. Reproduction in Galapagos tortoises is a long and intricate process. Mating typically occurs during the rainy season, when food is abundant. Males will engage in courtship behaviors such as vocalizations and nipping at the female's neck. After mating, females dig nests in the sand or dirt to lay their eggs, often laying around 10 to 15 eggs at a time. Once laid, the eggs are buried to protect them from predators. The eggs incubate for several months, and when the young tortoises hatch, they make their way to the surface. However, many face challenges, as predators such as rats and birds can threaten the hatchlings before they can reach safety. The Galapagos tortoise is a living example of evolution at work. Over millions of years, the tortoises on different islands have evolved into distinct subspecies. For example, some have developed large dome-shaped shells, while others have more saddle-shaped shells, a key adaptation to their environment. The shape of their shells is linked to their ability to access different types of food. Those with saddle-shaped shells are able to stretch their necks and reach higher vegetation, while those with dome-shaped shells feed on low-growing plants. This diversification has allowed them to thrive in a variety of ecological niches. The Galapagos tortoise plays a critical role in maintaining the health of the ecosystem. By grazing on vegetation, they help to control plant growth, ensuring that certain species don't overrun the landscape. Tortoises also act as seed dispersers, ingesting seeds and later depositing them in new locations. This process helps in the regeneration of plant species, fostering a more diverse and balanced ecosystem. Their movement across the islands also creates pathways for other species, making them true ecosystem engineers. While once abundant across the islands, the Galapagos tortoise population has been severely impacted by human activity and introduced species. Early human settlers brought animals like rats, dogs and goats to the islands, which became predators and competitors for the tortoises. By the mid-20th century, many tortoise populations were on the brink of extinction. However, conservation efforts have made a remarkable impact. Today, protected areas and breeding programs are helping to bring the tortoise populations back from the brink. Organizations such as the Galapagos National Park and the Charles Darwin Research Station continue to monitor and protect these ancient creatures, ensuring that they remain a part of the Galapagos Islands' future. The Galapagos tortoise is more than just a symbol of the islands. It is a living connection to the past, a living fossil that has witnessed the evolution of the natural world. With ongoing conservation efforts, we can hope to ensure that this incredible creature continues to thrive for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of the Galapagos tortoise. Keep exploring and continue to marvel at the wonders of nature.